All right, welcome back to Bucky Built. I have bought a new thing. First, I'll show you on the little progress from the last video. I guess not progress, but update. Still about the same. I haven't really had time to mess with it with the RC rock garden. But it looks good. It's like looks natural and flowy. I went ahead and filled in some sots, but anyways, I'm not worried about that today. Today I bought something new. Amazon bought something new. But I'll get in here and I will show you what I'm talking about. All right. So when you're driving the Jeep, you got, your gauges and everything into your very minimalistic. I have been kind of wanting to, I don't want to say like modernizing the Jeep interior, but just clean it up, make it, nice and clean. I put this little, it's like a single din Apple CarPlay thing. I got some new speakers in there. They're all right. They're nothing great, but this is like $80 at Walmart. I was like, well, the old one quit working because it got water in it. So like, let's go ahead and introduce new. It's blocked out because my phone's on it, but it's pretty. There it is. It's pretty neat. I like it for $80. Sure, it's a cool little thing. But I also have CB radio, which is tethered to my big old whip, and then GMRS, which is the better. That's this antenna there. So I like this one a lot. This is GMRS. You can see your stations, select whatever. This is what we use because it's better than that. And then the CB radio, because it was in there, because how can you have one without a CB radio? But anyhow, I had this problem where, okay, yeah, I've got one little notch, sure. This one didn't have one, or I lost it, so there's no place to put it. So where do they go? They just get, wires everywhere, and they get in your way. It looks messy. So I found these little things on Amazon. They're actually really freaking cool. Just magnets that go on the holder, and oh hell, bingo, just like that. I put these on here because I don't want to scratch the paint. Like, it's not perfect, but they came with those. I was like, oh, I'll put those there. So when I'm driving, from my point of view, I can still, my camera's a little further back, all my gauges. These two don't work, but you can still see them. And then you can kind of still see your screen. But I was like, that's pretty cool. So I got that. This is for my KC lights. I want to do something with that, but I'm not drilling holes in this, so I wonder if I can find some type of switch panel for wiring, or toggle switches for something right there. We'll see. But yeah, just wanted to make a quick little video because I'm like, that really cleans up the inside of my car, the little Jeep. And then it's just a magnet. It's a little collar. Where's it? There it is. Collar that goes around, 4 screws. I'll put the link somewhere, put it on screen. I think they're $14 a piece. I think I'm overpaying for it, but I mean, kind of hard to beat. And then even if you're off-roading or going down the road, if you put it in there, like you slot it like you normally would, I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, slot it like you normally would, they just fall out anyways and then get underneath their pedals, and and then also even the whole thing's metal, so stick them wherever. This doesn't work. It did. I don't know if it got water in it, or I have to see if there's a fuse in there or something. I don't know. But this worked, and it was great while it did work. But now I'm kind of moving away from that look. But really, I throw the turtle box in the back seat and just listen to that. But no, clean it all up. It looks good. I think there's a car show I'm going to, I think in 2 weeks, And I was like, they have a Jeep class or whatever you want to call it. Nothing crazy. It's just like a little whatever. I'm like, I clean the Jeep up a little bit and take it out there and see what else we got. Have fun more than anything. But I think that'll do it. I don't know what else I've got. So Bucky built. There you go. See ya.